Hey y'all, I have a super exciting video for you guys today. We are trying out some new products from Kiss. This is lash glue and eyeliner in one. And the clear says, it helps for me to say, we have a black and a clear. The black says lash glue and eyeliner in one. The clear says apply lash glue like eyeliner. So I got them both, wanted to try them both, of course. But how easy to have a 2-in-1 if it works. It's your liner and it's your lash glue. So we get into all the details, application, all that stuff. I mean, it's literally a felt tip. So this one is quite interesting, you guys. We do a wear test on it to see if it starts popping up, if they stay on, all of that jazz. If you are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting here on my channel. I want you guys to see everything as it is. I don't want my skin to be blurred. So if you see the light kind of going in and out, we can thank the sun for that. But yeah, I hope you guys are interested in this cool new product. Like, it's different. I like it. But is it a gimmick or is it a game changer? So if you guys are interested, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's hop in. This is so interesting to me. It just is. So lash glue and eyeliner in one. All right, it says apply to clean, dry eyelids free of moisturizer or makeup. Starting with one eye, apply glue liner along your natural lash line just like a regular eyeliner. When using clear glue liner, apply your regular eyeliner over this product, not under it. Well, why would you put regular liner over top? Your lashes would already be over top. Before the liner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, immediately apply your lashes. Pat to set lash strip in place. Repeat on other eye. Okay, it says tip, store glue liner vertically, cap side down to prevent drying out. As needed, clean the felt tip with a lint-free cloth and or makeup remover. Okay, well, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. This would be awesome if it works. Okay, I'm gonna shake them. Looks just like a regular eyeliner pen. So I'm going to, I don't think winging it is going to be the way to go, but if it's supposed to be, wow, what? If it's black and supposed to be like a liner, it would be nice if you could do that. Okay. We're gonna try the regular one first. I've got my lashes right here. So let's see what we've got here. Now, normally I go ahead and put my mascara on, then I put my lashes on. But with this, I wanna get as close to my lash line as possible, so no mascara until after. Okay, let's try her. All right, it says clear, but it's definitely coming out white. I definitely just got some in my lashes. It's good, you can kind of see it. That's a good thing. Like literally you can see it on the eyelid. Okay. Set that down, grab my lash, and stick her right on. No way. No way. You guys, I thought I was gonna have to like really glob this on. No. I put just a very minimal amount and that baby is on. Oh my God. This might be the best invention ever. I've seen these for, let me put the cap back on. How did it say to store it? Cap side down. Okay, so I have seen like different things for like magnetic lashes where they have a liner and then it sticks to the liner, but I don't know why no one has come out with this before, like glue in a liner formula, or not that I've ever seen. I don't want to say it's not out there, but I've never seen it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited by that. It's so quick, so easy. You apply a little bit. You guys see, and it was practically nothing. I will not cut any of it out. You'll see the full time, and it sticks right to it. Now, we'll see how long it lasts. Maybe it doesn't last very long. I don't know. But that is so easy. You do not have to wait for the lash glue to dry on the lashes. It's not a ton. You can see it. Oh my God. This is insane. Okay, let's try our black, and it did not feel super thick or goopy. What is this magic, you guys? All right, let's try this eye. This one is gonna be a little harder for me to do on camera, but we're gonna do it. Sorry, I can't talk. Okay, I did just a regular line. Again, does not feel super thick and heavy like I thought it would at all. Let's stick a lash on before it dries. Oops, sorry guys. All right, kind of hold it there a little bit. And it's on. That is straight up magic. Holy freaking moly. Wow, wow, wow. I really expected these, and especially the black, to feel very heavy. You know how even some liners are. They feel very heavy and crunchy almost on your lids. These are not like that. I am in absolute shock right now. I cannot. Let's throw a little bit of mascara on just to blend our lashes with our fake lashes. We'll see if anything gets weird or moves. You guys, I was thinking this was a straight up gimmick, but I think this is a flippin' game changer. So easy, boop, just literally across the eyelid, put it on, and you're done. You are flippin' done. This is, I swear, if these stay on, these are a game changer. It will be so much easier. I love my Duo Lash Glue, but this is so much easier. You just apply it and you're done like an eyeliner. There's no waiting. If you stick it on, done. You won't accidentally put glue way up here because it's on your lash. It's already on your lash line. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so this is what we've got. This is the black side. This is the clear side, and it did dry down clear. It is not kind of white like it was at first. Everything looks stinking beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna hush. We're gonna do a wear test on these. So I'm gonna wear these for several hours. I will pop back in if anything starts, you know, coming up or any of that. So I will see you guys later on. Okay, we are at the 12-hour mark, you guys. Sorry, you can hear my dog's little toenails. Well, they're not little, they're actually quite large. But these lashes have stayed on perfectly. This one's up just a smidge on the inner. No, get down. Sorry, my dog was trying to get on the couch and he knows he's not supposed to be on the couch. He has his own chase over here, you guys, and he has a huge dog bed. I don't know. Anyway, it's up just, I mean, the slightest bit, nothing that I would worry about or reglue it or anything. So long story short, I love these. I think these are 100% game changers. I love them. I recommend them. They are $9.99 at Ulta. Get them. They're that good. This is totally going to make it so much easier for me. I'm going to do a wing with it, and I think it would be fine. Honestly, I don't think it's too heavy or crunchy or cracky at all. I love that it's a 2-in-1. It's your liner and your lash glue, to where even if you want to do just a line like I did on this one, it's still your liner. Or it's so easy with the clear one, you can see it when it goes on, stick it down, you're done. And you don't even have to have liner. I love that they made a clear and a black. I am so excited about this product. Yes, 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 all the way. Love it, love it. This is gonna be a favorite. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and 12 hours of wear. If you did, I hope you subscribe. I have a giveaway going on if you want to hop over to the It Cosmetics video. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope to see you soon, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.